So in this KOHO Financial tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to split a bill with someone on the KOHO Financial application. So once the app's opened up in the bottom, press on the payments icon, and then where it says request money, settle up and split bills, go ahead and select that. Because you want to split a bill in this case, go ahead and press on split a bill. So once you're on this page right here, you of course have to add a group to your account. So if you don't have that created, go ahead and press on create a group. Then you can change the group name. So for example, if you wanted to name like the group book club, maybe that's your name. You can go ahead to the bottom here and press on create a group. Then once you're on this page right here, you can import contacts. As you can add up to 9 friends. You can also add them manually by typing in their full name, their phone number, and then inviting them to the group that way. And if all looks good, go to the bottom, press on finish, and then you can split bills this way when it comes to whatever bills you want to split. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to split a bill on KOHO Financial. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.